Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look right here. And this is the kind of look I would go for if I'm going out with like girls night out, or like, you know, a date night or something like out, you know, where you have to like get nice and ready and all that. But yeah, this is perfect because I actually got ready because I need to go out tonight. I'm going out with the girls and everything, so this is what I would wear if I'm going out with my girls, whatever. But yeah, I just decided to show you guys. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel already, you guys should subscribe down below to join the family, and also press that bell button to notify you when I upload new videos on my channel. And give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. And let's just get on with this makeup look. Okay. My finger, guys, can we just take a second? Let me tell you guys something. So I was supposed to get my nails done yesterday. What's yesterday? Yeah, not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Anyways, but more of the story, I was supposed to get my nails done, but you see, your girl was a little bit too busy and I was out doing stuff, and I was like, you know what, I called my nail lady, I was like, you know what, sorry, I won't be able to make it and whatever. She's like, it's okay, we'll reschedule. And I was like, okay. And then I was getting ready to go to the gym and everything. I was putting on my shoes and I break a nail. I was like, wow. This is why I hate wearing shoes, because every time I put on some shoes, my nails always break. And I'm just like, okay. This is, I don't even know how my nails break putting on shoes though. Like, I'm just like, what? Okay. But anyways, let's get to this makeup look. So as always, I'm already starting off with my eyebrows already done. What's new? Nothing. But I already have my eyebrows done, like I said, so now I am just gonna moisturize my face because I haven't moisturized, and my skin right now is dry, and you guys can tell my skin is not looking its greatest right now. Like, I've been breaking out so bad and I hate it. I hate it. My skin looks so bad right now. So bad. But I'm gonna be using the Clinique moisturizer, this one. I love this moisturizer. It moisturizes my skin so much, especially my skin is so dry all the time. So now I am gonna go in with my primer, which is the Fenty Beauty Primer. I've been using this primer lately and I'm in love with it. I think it works so good for me. So yeah, I've been loving this primer. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my base first and then my eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I'm going to get my NARS Radiant Glow Foundation. I'm in love with this foundation, guys, like you guys don't understand. And every time I wear this foundation, I always get compliments on how and every time I wear this foundation, I'll always get compliments on how my skin looks so nice and flawless. I'm just like, thank you. But yeah, I love this foundation. It makes your skin so nice. So okay, well now I have some foundation on my face. I just get like a little brush and just apply it all over my face. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my Morphe Beauty Blender. I'm in love with this beauty blender, and just blend out my foundation. We're gonna clip my hair back because it's so annoying. And guys, this foundation doesn't really match my body anymore. It's a little bit, I mean, you can't really tell, but it's a little bit light for me right now because, as you guys know, I did go to Mexico. If you guys haven't seen my Mexico vlog, you guys should go watch it. It'll be linked down below. I had so much fun, like, oh my god, you guys don't understand. But I did go to Mexico and I did get a little bit dark. You guys can tell I did get tan. But yeah, this foundation is a little bit light and I haven't got a new one. But I still make it work, you know. Now that we have our foundation done, I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on. I'm gonna be using the Born This Way concealer, and it's in the shade Light Beige. Gotta hide the dark circles, you know? And then with the extra concealer I have on my beauty sponge, I go ahead and put it on top of my eyelids just to, like, you know, set my eyelids as well. And now that I look like a ghost, we're gonna go ahead and set our face. Not our face, like our under eyes, with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And I bake with this powder. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the same powder but in a different shade. And this shade is in the shade light medium. And this powder is in the shade light medium. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a big fluffy brush from Morphe, the E41 brush, and just set my face. So now I don't really like baking under my eyes that much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe the powder away. Basically like press it in and like wipe it off. Now from bronzer, I am going to go ahead and get the bronzer that I love using all the time, which is the Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkiss. And I'm going to go ahead and get my brush, the brush I use to like bronze and like contour or whatever. I use the Morphe M530 brush. So now I'm just going to get a BH Cosmetic brush and just to kind of lightly contour my nose a little bit. I know I'll always have to do this set because if I don't, I just feel like my makeup just looks so weird. And sorry, my eyes look a little bit crazy right now because I didn't set them yet, but... So now for highlight, I'm going to be using, of course, my favorite highlighter, which is the Emery's highlight. And this is my favorite part. For me, I feel like highlight does like the whole makeup look. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Like it completes like the whole look. I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter a little bit because I like that golden bronze makeup. Like, whoa! I still caught that. Anyways, like I was saying, I like getting this highlighter and putting it a little bit just so my makeup looks a little bit more golden look. That makes sense? I don't know what I'm saying, but you know. Cute. So I'm done with my face and everything. So as you guys could tell, my eyes are looking a little bit weird right now because I did not set my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my beauty blender again and just go in and blend that out so it doesn't look weird. So now I am gonna get the Maybelline the white powder and apply very little bit on my eyes because, as you guys know, I like doing my eyeshadow when my eyes are still a little bit wet from the concealer because I just feel like it, like, you know, the eyeshadow comes out looking better. I don't even know what I was trying to say, like I was struggling right there, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply very little bit of powder so it's not as like sticky, but just like really little bit. So the first palette I'm gonna be going with is this palette right here. It's the Morphe 398 palette. And you guys, like, this palette is honestly my go-to palette right now. Like, I love this palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, right in the middle, this orangey shade. And I'm gonna go in with the Morphe R37 brush. And I'm gonna be applying this all over my crease and just like blend it out. The next color I'm going to be going in with is like this like reddish orange shade right here. Get a smaller blending brush. It's like a really small blending brush, the M506, to really get in there and deepen up the crease. And then I'm going back with the other blending brush and dip into that orangey shade to blend out those two colors together. Okay. So now the next shade I'm going to go in with the dark brown. It's like a dark brown right here, this one right here. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a mocha brown. I really like that color. Brush, and I'm going with the same small little brush I went in with the crease, and I'm going to be putting this brown in the outer V of my eye. Now I'm going to blend it out with that same brush and kind of just blend it up into the crease and all the way into the inner corner kind of. I'm going with the Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette as well. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's called Pure. This shade right there. With a small flat brush. And I'm just going to basically put this like in the inner corner of my eye. Part of my eye. Yeah. Something subtle, you know. I was gonna cut my crease, but I kind of would like that subtle look, so we're gonna go in with that. Yeah, I like this look better. Now for me, I usually like the bottom lash line to be like really intense and bold. I just feel like it brings out my eyes more like flirty and everything, you know? I hate filming because every time I film, I always get so hungry. My fat ass. I'm always hungry, to be honest. I'm gonna use the Morphe N432 brush. It's a flat brush, and I like using this brush to pack on the eyeshadows underneath my eye. And I'm gonna go in with that same orange shade right here. Oh my god, I hit pan. That's how you know I love that shade. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick some up and pack it underneath my eyes. Next, I am going to go in with that brown shade right here, right next to it, the one I used earlier. Same thing, I'm going to pack it and I'm going to drag it down, but not too far down where it covers that orange underneath. But you guys get it, right? But anyways, I'm gonna get this brown down here. It's like a really dark brown, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my lash line. But I'm not gonna blend this one out. I'm just gonna like, you know, stamp it. To make my eye look really dark. Now we're gonna do eyeliner, and I'm gonna do the eyeliner off camera because I would not be able to do eyeliner on camera. Trust me, girl. Oh, you don't want to see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lash. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Oh, the eyeliner I will be using, guys, is the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Like, I love this eyeliner. Like, but yeah, got done doing my eyeliner, and it came out bomb, nice and sharp, you know. But anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and put on lashes, and yes, I'm gonna put on lashes. As you guys saw in my last video, I did get eyelash extensions on my Mexico vlog, and honestly, I freaking hated them. Like, they were all nice and cute. Like, you know, she did a really good job on my lashes and everything. They were nice and full. Honestly, I just didn't like them. I didn't like how they felt. Like, it was just like, I don't know. They were supposed to last like 2 weeks. They did not last 2 weeks. They lasted like 5 days. Like, how long I was out in Mexico, which was like 8 days. So I lasted like about 7 days. I was just like, okay, like, I am gonna use the Ardell double up lashes, and they're in 204. These are really nice. I love these. But honestly, if you guys have any lashes that you guys love, or any brand that you guys would recommend, you should comment down below, because I want to start using some different lashes besides Ardell. Like, come on now. Well, I just finished putting on my lashes, and now we're gonna move on to lips. So the lipstick I'm gonna be using today is from Anastasia, and it's in the shade Ashton, something like that. But yeah, it's this shade, and it's really nice. But now I'm gonna be applying like a really light lipstick over it, and it's like this Tarte one. It's like a really small one. I don't know what shade this is. Oh, Birthday Suit. It's really nice. I'm gonna be applying this lipstick right in the center, so it makes my lips look a little bit bigger, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to be setting my face with the Marbodescu setting spray. It's not really a setting spray, but I love this because it makes my makeup look a little bit more dewy and hydrated. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I really love this makeup look. Girls' night out makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love making this video for you guys. Like, really more like glam, you know, out there, like bomb. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you're not already. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all for this video, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.